Hi again, this is Renata with Vereda Product Lab, and this is part two of the demos where I'm showing you how I use AI to synthesize, to gather all the artifacts produced during a typical product discovery process and to generate documentation, more formal product documentation, user stories, and acceptance criteria that can later be transferred and fed into a vibe coding tool, in my case, Replit. So in the last video, you saw how I used Miro to generate this initial product requirements document. Now, what you'll notice is that in the requirements document, Miro captures basically everything that was there, including things that were parking lot items or only marginally relevant information that is not crucial to the product that your minimum viable product that you want to create. And you want to go ahead and clean up that document because of that. I have marked things here in red that I want to get rid of. And as I do that, I also want to explain the fact that when AI, you feed this kinds of prompts into AI coding tools, vibe coding tools, it tends to want to give you everything, right? So you want to make sure that rather than feeding a lot of stuff about the future vision of the product or the company, or sort of should have, could have items from the Masco framework, you stay very lean. You're very stringent with your requirements and your documentation, staying with only minimum viable product type of information. Because otherwise, what you'll get is an application that is bloated from the start. It starts throwing crazy stuff. You'll probably see memes about vibe coding out there that relate to that fact. Because if you give it too much nuance about your future plans, that's exactly what it'll do. Now, I will take then all the information here in this document, and I will ask then Miro with a custom prompt to create user stories and acceptance criteria based on this requirement document. And as you see, Miro is thinking. And I do want to make sure that I accept this. And again, I will accept it first. And as I did previously, in my next section, I'll go ahead and review the acceptance criteria that is given me for each one of the items below to clean it up and see what's worth feeding into Replit and what's not. But so far, we've saved a lot of time. So go ahead and try it yourself.